PNY NVIDIA RTX A1000 8GB GDDR6 Honest Review. Real results for pro workstations. You opened your CAD file, dragged across the viewport, and watched it stutter like it was running on a potato. Or you tried scrubbing a 4K timeline in Premiere and the whole system groaned at you like you asked too much. You deserve better than that. Type guilty if this is your workstation right now. Because working around your GPU instead of with it is exhausting, isn't it? Because fighting your own tools every single day is suffocating. You are losing hours to lag, freezes, and display repaint issues that should not exist in a professional setup. Switching to a consumer gaming card felt wrong, and the big workstation GPUs cost a fortune. But what if control was actually simple? Stay right here, because what comes next is going to reframe everything you thought you knew. Then I plugged in the PNY NVIDIA RTX A1000 8GB GDDR6 and everything got stupidly quiet. 6 superpowers landed immediately. 1. 2,304 CUDA cores on Ampere architecture made viewport manipulation in CAD and BIM software feel like butter on glass. 2. Dedicated second-generation RT cores delivered 147% faster ray-traced rendering in Blender compared to the old T1000. 3. 72 third-generation tensor cores unlocked AI-accelerated workflows, including stable diffusion image generation at 347% faster speeds. 4. 8 GB GDDR6 at 192 GB per second bandwidth handled mid-size three-dimensional scenes, 4K timelines, and multi-application multitasking without breaking a sweat. 5. 4 mini DisplayPort 1.4a outputs drove 4 5K timelines simultaneously from a single compact slot. 6. The 50-watt power ceiling meant 0 extra cables, 0 PSU upgrades, and near-silent operation all day. At 2:47 a.m., client presentation in 3 hours, I was completely cooked until the viewport finally snapped fluid and my entire Revit model loaded without a single dropped frame. The card sat cool and quiet like it did not even notice the workload. And there is one BIOS level performance setting on this workstation GPU that almost nobody configures correctly. Proof stacks so fast here that doubt runs out of arguments. An AEC magazine hands-on review called the PNY NVIDIA RTX A1000 8GB GDDR6 a notable upgrade that adds real responsiveness to BIM and three-dimensional modeling workflows. A professional tech creator admitted on camera, moving my legacy workstation to the A1000 was the smoothest, most immediate upgrade I have made in years. Lead Tech benchmark data confirmed spec ViewPerf scores jumped 20 to 88% across SolidWorks, Maya, CATIA, and 3ds Max versus the T1000. At ArchViz Studio wrote, dropped it into my compact tower, 0 extra power cable, 4 screens running, completely silent. And I watched this happen live when a Blender optics render that used to take 40 minutes finished in under 17. Here is the cascade. You save hours per project. Hours become creative momentum. Momentum doubles output quality. Quality produces results that shut client rooms up permanently. Which benefit hit hardest? Comment 1 for viewport smoothness, 2 for render speed, 3 for multi-display setup. Biggest objection? It is just a rebadged RTX 3050, and yet it rendered 3 times faster in Octane Bench. Funny how that works. This is the one thing thousands message me about daily. Tell me your current workstation GPU in the comments right now. The PNY NVIDIA RTX A1000 8GB GDDR6 gives your compact workstation professional-grade ray tracing, AI acceleration, 4 5KB displays, and near-silent 50-watt efficiency without touching your power supply or your case. That is the upgrade that changes how your entire day feels. Join the ones who quietly upgraded their workstation and never fought their viewport again. First link in description, I pinned it to the top because I am not letting you miss this. You already know this belongs in your machine.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.